Welcome back to The Broken Blender. My name is Joey and we're here today to talk to you about Camerena Tequila. Camarena is a family-founded company that dates all the way back to 1761. In fact, the family was co-founding members of the city of Aranjas, where this lovely tequila is still made. The bottle itself, in the shape of a bell, pays homage to the community in the city center, where it plays home to the largest bell in all of Mexico that rings for special occasions and holidays. This phenomenal juice boasts 100% blue agave, and all the piñas used during distillation are first growth. During distillation, the Camerenas use traditional methods with modern techniques to maintain consistency and the phenomenal flavors of citrus, vegetal notes that you get from this beautiful fresh tequila. Camerena has been extremely active in the National Sustainability Project of Agave in Mexico, whereas in the past 3 years they've been planting their own agave, and they've actually put more in the ground than they've taken out. So, hats off for that. All the humidors that oversee the operation are locals, and they're very, very well paid. The bottles themselves are even hand labeled. On a personal note, I love working with this tequila as a bartender because it's just super fresh, and again, those citrus grassy notes make it so great to mix on like a warm summer day for a fresh cocktail. Looking forward to working with it. We're going to start with 4 drops of Agave Maria Tequila, or bitters by Buffer Bitters. 1 ounce of pineapple juice, fresh squeezed. 1 ounce of strawberry basil simple syrup, homemade. 0.75 ounces of ancho reyes, chili liqueur. And of course, 1.5 ounces Camerena Tequila. Garnish 2 pineapple leaves and a dehydrated pineapple. Give you a fuego en hacienda.